Polar Express? The Polar Express! I have to go outside.
Young man, are you coming?
Where?
By the North Pole, of course. This is the Polar Express.
Oh my goodness. We're on the Polar Express. What? Smell seats, guys.
They're so comfy. Why do you need our tickets?
Alright, they're gonna come around and punch it. So this is our train. And this is Mila's seat. Hold on, I gotta take video for you. Sell cards. Where are we going? What? Are you serious? This is so cool.
Can I see your ticket? Thank you so much.
Thank
Are you
you.
excited to go to the North Pole?
Me too.
Yes.
I've been a good girl.
There you are.
Thank you. Let's see.
No, because they're like little circles.
Ooh. Oh yeah, I do see it. Yeah. Let's see. It's hard to see it on here.
We do shows.
There it goes. All right, so it's official. Now you need it for to come back to. Remember, you need it to go and to come.
Remember in the movie, it go
Yeah.
and it cuts out the yellows?
They can't do that because they don't make a mess.
They
Right?
just do circles.
Yeah. So, okay, put mine on there too. Thank you. All right, now we wait. People are still boarding. That's silly. Oh.
Why have we stopped? This train is on a very tight schedule, and there can be no Christmas without
Reindeer?
Polar Express arriving on time.
A reindeer.
What in blazes is on the track?
Right out there.
It's on the track.
Crossing?
Well,
We have reindeer.
This is some serious jelly. Smokey, Steven, clear the caribou off the track.
that's why it stopped.
Oh no. Guys, there are reindeer on the track. We've had trouble with them a little bit earlier. Can you guys please bang on the windows, trying to get them off the track?
Bang on the windows, get them up.
Keep us from going to the North Pole. All right, guys, sing the highest note you can.
Oh gosh.
On the count of three.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Wow.
All ahead.
You know what? Part of them, that got part of them. I think we need to do it again, though. Scream real
Oh,
loud.
gosh.
Count on
Still?
the windows. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Well, I think this is the winner right here. Will you scream for us? 1, 2, 3.
Screaming.
That is terrifying.
I think that
Is he off?
They're still out there.
Oh, no.
I'm trying to see if I can find Smokey and
Wait, real reindeer?
I don't know. She just said. That's why it stopped because it was on the track.
Why is it still moving?
I don't know. She's trying. It must have moved. What's happening?
Oh, Billy, remember when I couldn't find my golden ticket?
Yes.
Well, I got it back and the conductor stamped something on it for me.
No way! The conductor stamped something on mine too.
Really? Mine says L-E. That could mean... lead! Like a lead balloon! I don't really get it though.
Well, it could also mean lead. Like, you're a leader. You'd make a great leader. I'd follow you.
That's really sweet. Each stamp with something special. I have a feeling that each stamp will mean something to each of you too.
You better hold on tight to those tickets. Wouldn't want to lose them.
Oh, Billy,
they have. Isn't this you?
Yeah.
Well then, it's a good thing you decided to climb aboard. Ticket, please.
Well, I'm not sure I have a ticket.
Try your pocket.
There's nothing in this pocket.
Well, try your other pocket. Voila. Thank you, sir. sir?
Letter.
The ghost guy.
Nothing I need to know. Take your seat, young man.
Well, hello there, everyone. How many of you can see me?
Who's that?
Well, raise your hand.
Who's that
If you
dirty
can
guy?
see me. Now, maybe some of you can see me.
The ghost?
Maybe some of you can't.
you
But
see it?
one thing is for sure, seeing is believing. Am I right? Here I am. Seeing is believing. But sometimes the most real things in the world are the things we can't see. Oh, where are my manners? For those of you who can't see me, allow me to introduce myself. I am the proud owner of this train. It's like I'm the king of this train, the king of the Polar Express. Ah! So, I like to hop aboard this old ride whenever I feel like it. I like to get to know the
ghost.
passengers.
It's not ghost, it's not real.
I'm very
Ghost.
I say I'm very yout.
Oh.
I say I'm very serious Stambustles about them golden tickets of yours. If you happen to have one of them golden tickets, would you hold it up high, high, high in the air where I could see?
Here you go.
Get a treat? Thank you.
What is
A cookie or something? Let's see.
it? Smells like a cookie.
What?
A cookie.
Ooh, a sugar cookie. Is it good? Yeah? All right.
I can't get it.
All right. This is, well, wait. Let's see the cup. Ha, ha, ha.
Oh, wait. Can you at least tell me about my ticket?
What about it?
Well, there's something stamped on it.
Oh, well, let's see. Looks like a letter to me.
Well, what does it mean?
Oh, it's nothing I need to know. But let me ask you something, kid. What do you hear?
I don't hear anything.
Well, how about anybody else? Can anybody at all hear my? I guess nobody. Kid, I tell you what, kid. You better hang on tight to that golden ticket of yours. This is your crucial year.
Wait, I think there's something. It's a bell. Are you shaking the bell?
You're not?
Right this way, young man. We're just going to go find your seat.
Yeah,
Right
you
this
all
way.
saw him though, right? Yeah?
A friend had told me I'd miss
Story reading.
the ringing bells of Santa's sleigh. There is no Santa, my friend had insisted, but I knew he was wrong. Late that night,
Oh, look at that little elf.
See, there's he go. Yepa! Good moves, Mila. He's coming.
What was that? Jiminy Christmas! It seems that something or someone has landed on the roof of this train. I'm off to the roof to investigate.
Attention, please. Attention, all Polar Express passengers. I have someone very special here to meet you. I'm gonna stop.
Who's that? He's King? It's Santa. Yeah, it's Santa? Over here. Oh my gosh, Mila.
Now, I'll be glad to see each and every one of you. I have a very special day.
Merry Christmas. Thank you. So special. Ring it. You get the first Christmas gift of the year. Right? I love it. This is so cute. Let me see. Yeah, that's so special.
the best time of the year when everyone comes home with all this Christmas cheer. It's hard to be alone, putting up the Christmas tree, friends who come around. It's so much fun when Christmas comes to town.
We only paused a moment when you heard him holler, stop, turn around, go the other way. Frosty the Snowman had Ernie on his way, but he waved goodbye saying, don't you cry, I'll be back again someday. Let's just break. Everybody dance back to your seats. Nice job. Thank you so much for your help. That was amazing.
Guys, it's time to remember our journey, our last.
All right, we're all done and we're heading home now. We had a good time. See you next time.
Ring them as loudly as you can on the count of 3. Ready?
Ring your bell, Mila.
1, 2, 3.
All right, we're exiting the Polar Express. Bye. Thank you, guys. Bye, Ghost Guy. Watch your step. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure having you guys.
Thank you, guys. Bye. Hi, Mila. Say goodbye.